Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines in terms of their slopes. Okay, so let's start the lesson. See, in my another video I have told you about the slope of a line. Okay, just for the revision only I am telling you here. If you have y is equal to mx plus b or mx plus c, then what is slope here? Slope in this equation is m. Okay, now, or line, if it is given in the general form like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then what will be the slope? In this case, slope will be equal to minus a divided by b. Okay, now these are the two various conditions for finding the slope when equation of line is given to us. For example, if we have y is equal to 3x minus 2, then what will be slope of this line? Slope of this line will be equal to 3. Okay, because 3 is the coefficient of x. Or you can say, if you have an equation 2x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0, then in this case slope of the line will be minus 2 over 5. Okay, now these are some easy methods to find the slope of equation of a line. Now we are going to see how and what are the conditions for parallelism and perpendicularity of the lines. Okay, now you see, you know already that parallel means that two lines which never intersect each other, they are called parallel lines. Okay, so if they are the lines, then definitely they are having some slopes also. So suppose slope of the line first is m1 and slope of the line second is m2, then they will be parallel for parallel. What is the condition? For the parallelism, condition is m1 is equal to m2. Okay, means that lines will be parallel to each other if their slopes are equal. Okay, this is the easy condition for the parallelism, or in short you can say that in any equation of the line, say for example y is equal to 4x plus 9 and y is equal to 4x minus 2, these are the parallel lines. Okay, why they are the parallel lines? Because coefficient of x is the same. You see 4 here and 4 here also. So if coefficient of x is the same and y also is the same, then we can say that lines are parallel lines. For example, if I write 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and then 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. These two lines are the parallel lines. Okay, this is the sign of parallel. If I make like this, it means lines are parallel. Okay, now another condition can be like 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 10. Now, do you think that these two lines are parallel lines? Write your answer in the comment, pause the video and then think it yourself. Okay, now you see here, if we multiply this first equation by 2, then what it will be? It will become 2 times 2x, 4x, 2 times 3y, 6y, and 2 times 1, that is 2. Now you can see coefficient of x is the same, coefficient of y is also the same. It means these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, so what was the basic condition for the parallelism? That two lines will be parallel to each other if their slopes are equal, yani m1 is equal to m2. Okay, now for perpendicularity, what is the condition for perpendicularity? Just try to understand. Suppose we have this one line and this is the another line. Okay, so don't go with this straight line because this alignment problem is here with my writing pad. Okay, so this is line 1 with the slope m1 and this is the another line with the slope m2. So lines will be perpendicular. Lines will be perpendicular if m1 multiply m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, means if you multiply both the slopes and you get the answer minus 1, then lines will be perpendicular to each other. Or you can write like this also, m1 is equal to minus 1 upon m2. Okay, now on this you will have to be very careful with the questions. For example, if I say one line 3x plus 2y is equal to 7, and then you have to do for 4x minus 9y is equal to 2. Just random lines I have written, okay? So we have to check whether they are parallel or whether they are perpendicular or they don't have any relation. Now, you see, for the first equation, what will be the slope of the line? It will be minus 3 over 2, okay? How I am getting this answer, that also I will explain you. See, try to understand, because I'm explaining you for this, okay? See, this can be written as 9y is equal to 4x minus 2. Now divide both the sides by 9, so it will be y is equal to 4 over 9 times x minus 2 over 9. So what is the coefficient of x here? 4 over 9. So this is the slope, another line, 4 over 9, and this was the slope of the first line. So what will be their multiplication? m1 into m2 is equal to, it will be 3 over 2 with negative sign times 4 over 9. So this is definitely, it is not going to be 1. Okay, so 3 times 3 9, 2 times 2 4. So it is equal to minus 2 over 3, which is not equal to minus 1. So lines are not perpendicular, and you can see here these two slopes are also not equal. So it means lines are not parallel also. Okay, so just again just for a revision only, I am telling you that lines will be parallel to each other if their slopes are equal. Okay, and lines will be perpendicular to each other if you multiply their slopes and you get the answer minus 1. Okay, now another question can be that if slope of one line is minus 2, then slope of another line perpendicular to it, slope of another line perpendicular to this line, what it will be? You see, it is just a simple question, and with this formula you can do this. Okay, so m1 multiply m2 is equal to minus 1. This is the formula. So what is the slope of first line? Minus 2 times m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 is equal to minus 1 over minus 2, means 1 over 2. Okay, like this you can easily find the slope of one line if slope of another line is given to us. Or just remember the condition with the understanding that two lines will be parallel if their slopes are equal, and two lines will be perpendicular if multiplication of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. Okay, I am sure you understood this topic, and if you have any confusion, then you can write in the comment. Definitely I will explain you. I will make another videos for that. Okay, and if you have understood and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.